This will be a short little video on how to take apart a Canon 188 flash. I could find no information at all on the internet on how to break this case apart, so I made this video for you. Old batteries had leaked and destroyed the spring contacts. First, remove this hidden screw behind the battery sticker. Remove the 4 screws at the shoe attachment. Carefully pry away the bottom part of this case. The upper part slides into and under the other part, so it doesn't pull straight out. You have to unhinge it from the bottom, then pull down and away, and it will come apart. Another view of where the battery sticker was. More than likely the wires that go to the shoe attachment will break away, so first mark down the color codes and location. I actually had to extend those wires. There's not much room to work the way it is. Be sure to note the shoe attachment and how it goes. The shoe attachment is marked to lock towards the rear. I have already soldered in 2 negative springs in this battery holder. I had some springs in an old battery holder that I used for a charger. I took the springs out of that to use in this. You might have to stretch them after being soldered in. The battery spring contacts are soldered in, shown to the right in this photo. Be aware that a capacitor can really hurt you. This can store up to 800 volts. It's the black round tube marked with white letters. And here are the new contacts. Good luck, and I hope this helped you.